Good evening and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Let me throw up your timestamps. Today we're going to be making what is roughly spaghetti but with chopped ramen noodles. So let's go into the intro. Your ingredients are 4 top ramen packets of any flavor. We're not going to use the seasoning. Italian sausage, whether mild or hot, your choice. We need some olive oil. We need to dice up some bell pepper, some onion. I cheated and got a already sliced basil and grated mozzarella. Wine is not an ingredient, but if you're going to eat red meat, drink red wine. I don't know why that is. It's just the rules. So, let's start with peeling the onion. And if for some reason I fail to give you the measurements, such as cups or teaspoons, I'll throw up in the notes. Because I remember my last video was John Wayne's chili, where even though I had the book in front of me, I still gave you the wrong measurements. So, let's start with peeling the onion. Okay, so we want 1 cup diced onion. Just in case it wasn't clear, I am not left-handed. So might come out a little chunky, but hey, I'm the only one who has to eat it, so. Alright, that's 1 cup onion. And remember, you put it in a glass bowl, not plastic, otherwise everything else you put in that bowl will have an oniony taste. 1 cup red bell pepper. Now maybe I should put you on the other side. So just a little more bell pepper. Oddly enough, in a family full of chefs, I'm the only one who doesn't know how to cook, if that wasn't obvious right now. In fact, I had one, we used to be friends, we had a falling out. But she said my food hurt her soul because it just looks so bland and tasteless. So, 1 cup diced red bell pepper. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 1/2 cup basil. Oh wow, that was a 1/2 cup. So 1 whole thing of these. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and grease a 13 by 9 pan. Cook the noodles according to instructions. Remember, you don't need your seasoning packet. So, it's 2 cups of water per brick of noodles, so there's 8 cups of water I need to add for these 4 noodles. Once your noodles are soft, transfer them over to a strainer. God damn it, smoke alarm. Okay, quickly before it goes off again. Once you transfer them over to a strainer, rinse with cold water. Now with that setting, I'm going to clear some more smoke away, and then we're going to start our sausage. So this is to brown our sausage for 8 minutes. No, that's incorrect. Brown your sausage on a medium heat for 8 minutes, draining the grease into a paper-lined bowl. Stir occasionally to break up and cook until well browned. So I'm just going to take the spatula, chop it up. Now I'm using spicy sausage, and that's just because I'm a spice freak. So use what you will. It actually recommends that you get sausage that you have to decase, which I think is just simpler to buy it. And it says 1 pound of it too. So this is 1 pound Italian spicy sausage. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. Put the lid on it, and then I shall bring you back. Okay, so the sausage is cooked. I'm going to throw it in this pot where I put my noodles back. And it's drained, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so there's that. There's a little grease left. I don't mind that. It'll help with the cooking process. Okay, now, next step. It is 2 teaspoons olive oil. And then you add your bell pepper and onion, cook until soft or lightly brown. So, here's our onion. And our bell pepper. Once they have become soft or lightly brown, you are to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds. Add it to the mixture. But let's wait till this gets done before I get ahead of myself now. Alright, so now 1 teaspoon minced garlic, cook for 30 seconds. Okay, now add to the bowl. Add your basil. And then 1 whole can tomato sauce. Mix that up. Now pour this into the pan. Try to spread it as evenly as you can. There's some spots that I didn't mix very well. That's all right. We'll continue to spread this out. Then you add on your cheese. Alright, now we've placed it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is melty or bubbly. Okay, so while our dinner is cooking, let's prepare a dessert. We're going to do open fish s'mores, also using top ramen. Flavor does not matter, seeing how we're not using the flavoring packets. So let's get that out of here. Now, I don't know the best way to break these up, so I'm just going to try to saw through it. We also need 2 chocolate bars and 4 large marshmallows. Well, that works, so we also only need a 4th it. 4th of that one. Oh, this is where it gets scary. Okay, cool, that worked. Now with marshmallows, I kind of cheated because I got these stuffed marshmallows, which means there's chocolate already inside them. So I just got to cut them in half and place them on the halves. Here's one. And I'm gonna have the chocolate side. Yeah, see, there's this little chocolatey center facing down. So that's one s'more. 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna have one now. And then you can place these in the microwave for about 15 seconds, and then you should have yourself a s'more. Alright, as you see, everything is ready. I have my dinner, my dessert. That is really good. But then again, like I said, it's spaghetti with ramen noodles instead of angel hair. Let's try the dessert. It's different. It's not bad. It's just different. Sorry about eating with my mouth full. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, well, let me know what you'd like to see next time. So, until then. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button. If you have any suggestions or criticisms, leave a comment. And if you want to stay tuned for my next project, don't forget to click that subscribe icon and ring that bell. So, until our next project, have a beautiful day.